Hi everyone, Josh Ekman here with this week's Tip Tuesday. This week I want to talk about PA10 installation and share how I've got PA10 installed across the various machines that I have, since this was something that came up during this year's Capture the Flag event. What you see here is a representation of how I've got PA10 installed on my main workstation. C, D, and T are each separate internal M.2 drives on this workstation. In this case, I've got Physical Analyzer on C, my database on D, and my temp folder is on T, and then I've got my extractions out here on my NAS. Now I could easily substitute an external USB 3 or USB 3.2 drive here if that was what I had available. The trick is to make sure that your database and your extractions are sitting on separate physical drives. That seems to be the key to success for me and others that I've talked to. The next machine that I have is a laptop that's got two M.2s in it. In this case, I've got Physical Analyzer and my temp folder on C, my database on D, and then as before, I've got my extractions out on my NAS. But again, you could substitute a USB 3 or USB 3.2 drive here if that's what you have available. The last machine that I have has a single physical M.2 in it. And in this case, I've got Physical Analyzer, my extractions, and my temp folder on C, and my database is out on an external USB 3.2 drive. Again, database and extractions are sitting on separate physical drives. Now we're going to have an entry in the 101 notebook that kind of goes into more detail here, so definitely be on the lookout for it. If you like what you heard here, make sure you check out our YouTube channel and the 101 for more Tip Tuesdays. Thanks.
Want more? Subscribe.